Welcome to Ellie's and Ellie and Ethan's
Cooking show.
No, it's bake show.
Oh, bake show.
Welcome to our bake show with Ethan and Ellie, and thank you. We'll put them in. So oh, that's loud.
1, 5.
So what?
1,
1,
5.
5. Start. This will melt. I want to see it melt. It's going to melt in any minute. I'm going to watch it melt. Oh my gosh, it's melting. It's melting. What? Wait, is that it?
No, we gotta put it in more, but let me grab it.
Okay. Start to, I know what to do. Okay.
Not going that way. What? Don't stand so close.
Okay. Smell the air. It smells like popcorn. Grab it.
Yep, here.
Thank you. I got them. Okay. Let's go.
1, 5.
I want to watch him smell it. It's gonna melt. Do we need it to melt? Oh. I put it over right there. No, it's,
Okay, open. I'll grab it. It's hot.
I know. Is it hot?
Oh, yeah, it's kind of hot.
Is it warm?
Okay, you have to grab it by the handle, okay?
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Here. Should I put it in?
No, I should put it in. Hey, I thought I should put it right there. If I find the heat on. Like I know what 1, 5. Okay, I put it right.
How come it's going that way?
Where?
No, don't touch. Leave it.
I think. Something.
Watch out. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Smells good. Ooh, baby, you think someone's thinking? Boom. Okay. Put it in.
1, 5.
I know that. Cheese.
Can you remember those pink things you had on your hands?
Oh, yeah.
Can you go grab one of them, please? Grab. Can you grab
Can
them,
you
please?
watch the...
Yeah, I'll watch it. Hurry. Go, go, go.
It was pink things.
The pink things you were going like this with.
Oh, yeah. Can I do it?
No, no, no. Because you cannot, if you drop it, it's going to break. I'll do it. You can hold one of these. That only one.
Only one.
Open the microwave.
Okay. I can hold one. Okay, I hold the handle.
It's kind of heavy.
Aww.
Oh, these don't work. Never mind. You can hold both of them.
Yeah. What? Can I mix?
No, because I need to, it's kind of hard still.
No. Then when it's not hard, then I can mix.
Yeah, don't touch.
Ah!
Oh, shit. Wait, we gotta go one more time.
By the bay, running to go back to my home. I dare not go, or if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see the goose kissing a goose
Down by the bay.
down by the bay? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Hurry up, Ethan.
10.
Okay.
She did?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't do that. Okay? Are you okay?
You should grab it.
Yep, because it's getting hot.
Is it hot?
It's hot. Don't do that, Ethan. Ethan. Okay. This one, only put it for one.
Oh, why did you do that?
Only put it for 1, 2.
1, 2. Start?
That means 12. Yes, press start.
Wait, you wanted to, like,
Okay, when it's done, just leave it in there, okay? Don't open it.
why?
Because I have to go grab something.
What?
I have to go grab something. Come on. Come on.
20 minutes later.
No, you dip it more.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay, take it out.
It's hot. I got something in my skirt. Can I lick it?
Yeah, but now you gotta wipe your hands. You can't touch anything until.
It's not hot at all. It's not hot at all. Oh, wait, I forgot to say something when you do it. Never mind. Bye-bye.
Don't say bye-bye yet. We're not done.
Oh, we're not done. Please watch the video and give it a thumbs up.
Not yet. Here.
Thank you. Put that there.
Dip it in.
Wait. What did I get? Where did I get that napkin?
I gave you the napkin.
Where? For what?
Okay, turn it. So I can see a whole... Oh, sorry. Is it hot? Go.
No, never mind. I'm just kidding.
You sucker.
Mm.
We have to hurry up so we can put these in the freezer.
Well, I want to put this strawberry.
Wait, I gotta clean it first, remember?
Ooh.
Is that one okay? Can you look around it? Remember, you have to wipe your hands.
Okay, dude.
Is that strawberry okay, or do I need to clean it?
That's okay. It's good.
Let me see.
It's good.
Oh, you're right. It is good.
I'm gonna put.
No. You can't do it like that. Actually, maybe you can. Okay, you gotta turn it. Ow, hot.
Okay. I need some more.
Wait. Let me do it. Okay, you gotta hold it. Okay, turn it. Okay, I think that's good. That's good. Woohoo!
Okay, this one looks okay.
It is Nacho Libre. No. No. That one gotta be cleaned. Here, do this one.
Okay, wait.
Here, I'll hold this one. You can do it. Okay, remember you gotta put it on the side. Yep, there you go. Do you need more chocolate?
Ow.
Oops. You get to eat all the extra stuff, yeah? Is it good? Or a little bit more?
A little more. I can see
Right
some
here?
red. How about this one? This one looks good.
Do I have to clean it?
No.
No? Oh, yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, let me cook it. Okay. You mind if?
My baby.
Here.
My baby. No,
No, you do it.
Oh, I'll hold the spoon so you can. Remember, you gotta put it on the sides.
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
Okay,
That's okay.
I'll do it so you don't burn your finger. Here, let me see.
No, it doesn't look good.
You think of it?
You can go watch the movie? You can go watch the movie. Okay, Ethan, we got one more. Last one. Okay, Ethan, you want to do the last one or you want me to do it? Okay, here you go. Ethan, come on. The chocolate's getting hard. Hurry up, I got it already.
What? Wait, what? What's one more?
This is the last one. Hurry up, hurry up. You have to hurry up, Ethan. Mm-hmm.
We need to watch this.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, you can do it. Never.
Yeah, you gotta say bye. Ethan.
Bang the glass.
Ethan, you wanna say bye?
Sorry, I had to see that.
Hey. No? Ethan. Ethan. You say bye. You gonna say bye? Say thank you for watching.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.